Hello and welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Weekly Rate Update. I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, here to present your update. Okay, it is January 3rd. The markets were closed yesterday, so we're doing your update on Tuesday. And in the news, interest rates are still at the historically low rates. The market actually opened to the downside for the bonds, so rates actually came out worse, but then the market completely recovered. And rates have ended today right about where they started on Friday, which is good news. Historical lows, great time to purchase or refinance. So what's going on? If you look at the graph right here, you can see we're still almost at the highest point bonds have ever been in history, which is there. We're real close to that, which means that's the lowest rates have ever been in the history, which means now is the time to buy or refinance. We've been sitting on the fence, get off the fence. Now, what's going on in the news? What can we look for in 2012? Well, forecast is going to be rates are going to be pretty low for at least the next 6 months, as we're going to have to keep dealing with what's going on in Europe. So that means investors will keep putting their money into the safe trade, which is U.S. bonds and treasuries. We also saw Iran rattling their sword today, test fired some missiles, threatened a U.S. aircraft carrier not to come back into the Strait, which is where all the oil comes through. The U.S. pretty much said, you know what, screw you. We'll come in there if we want to. Pretty much what they said, but not in those words. That's my words. Now, 2012, so we're going to see great rates. The stock index, S&P 500 index for 2011 returned a positive return of 2.1%. Boy, didn't even beat inflation, did we? And they're not projecting 2012 to be any better for stocks because the economy is not doing well, the uncertainty in Europe, and we have our own crisis brewing in America. If we don't deal with our excessive borrowing of money to pay our bills, we'll be in the same straits as Europe. This week, though, if you're looking to lock or float, I would recommend locking with rates at historic lows. Market mover Friday is the jobs reports, which it's been coming out below 400,000, the jobless claims. So if it keeps that way, that's good news for the economy. So the claims comes out Thursday, report is Friday. Hopefully we've created, they're projecting, I think, about 150,000 jobs created. So that would be a good number. So that could be bad news for mortgage bonds, which makes rates tick up slightly. But still, awesome rates right now. Buy or refinance, now the time to do it. Next free first-time homebuyer seminar is Saturday, January 14th. There's still some room, but it's filling up quick. Everyone's got their New Year's resolution to purchase a home, so you want to get in that class, you can register online, DelawareHomebuyerSeminar.com, or you can give us a call in the office, 302-703-0727. That's 302-703-0727. If you need help with a loan, down payment assistance, first-time homebuyer, any of that, give us a call in the office. We would love to help you out. Again, this is your weekly Delaware Mortgage Rate Update. I look forward to seeing you next week.